Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This video comes from some information I got from my mentor, Roy Brewer. And if you watched the videos the other day about fixing this leak, I just do it with a straight line. And Mr. Brewer does it with photo paint, which I never use. So if we go to bitmap and edit bitmap, it actually opens up photo paint, as you can see right here. Now we can take these three leaks and we can get the brush tool and you'll set it on whatever size nib you think is good and just swipe through there and you're basically painting. Then we're going to go to the other leaks. There happen to be three in this drawing and get the paint. This really, I see it might even do a better job. I can see the advantage to it. My way might be a little quicker, but you could add details, with this paint much more easily than in another, inside of a Corel. Then we're going to go to File and Save As. It's going to save it as a Corel paint file, and we're going to call it Santa 4. And we're going to save it. Then we're going to go back to Corel, and there's that bitmap. We're going to right-click our mouse, and we're going to import Santa 4. And you're just going to not move your mouse, just click. And now if we look, that is painted or filled. So we could do the same thing we did the other day. Now, the only thing I can see is it got a bounding box. So let's go ahead and trace it, outline trace clip art. Going to take just a second, then say okay. Now, this is different than Corel because the fact that now, well, it is on top. A while ago, it wasn't. Now, it's got some hidden lines, but I don't really think they will really show up. But if we look at it now, the leaks are fixed and really sharp. So now we'll do the same thing. Let's see how big this thing is. It's less than 3 inches. We'll set our nudge factor on 3. We'll take a rectangle, take our smart fill tool and fill that in and move it over and then fill that in. And I'm going to get rid of the rectangle. And then we can take this and we can left click, right click, and there is an outline around our object. It might be, I have to take my hat off to Mr. Brewer. I think it's a lot better. And just like in the previous videos, if you need that bigger, you can see I've got the red line selected. Go to Effects and Contour. We'll just contour 0.02 and look at that. And then we would go to Object, break the contour part, and then get rid of that red line. And you can see right there, I've got it selected, hit delete. Now I would always take this line and turn it red so you know it's a hairline. That's pretty cool. That's my first installment with anything in photo paint. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.